Joe Beermaster. Today we have an '08 BMW 328xi. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to get the inner door panel off. Today we're working on the rear door, and the window's not working up and down, so we're going to take this door trim panel off to see what's going on. So the first thing we're going to do is, there's obviously screws holding this in. I believe there's a screw back here, so we're going to pry this open carefully with a screwdriver. So we're going to get the handle here. See, there's a line that separates it. We're going to be very careful not to damage the trim. Very careful. We're going to work it around. Just loosen it. Don't press too hard. It's going to start clicking. Don't force anything. You want to force it a little bit, but not too much. Alright. Then in there is, looks like a hex head, Torx head. There's probably one down in there, so we're going to take that off and then see what else is holding it on. So it's got this trim panel here. I believe there's some screws under there. So we're going to be gentle. See if it loosens, and I can see it does come off. Alright, so that comes off. Then we're going to look underneath there for any screws, bolts, or nuts. And what do we see here? I don't see anything, but that doesn't mean it's not here. There. There's one over here. I'll put a little light on the situation. There is one or two.
Yeah, it's X.
Alright, so the Torx heads. We're gonna
down there and down there.
Okay. Alright, so we have a very small Torx head here. That's maybe about a T20 roughly. I don't know what size it is, or smaller. You get them out and not lose them. There's one. There's two more down here, somewhere in here. It's gonna look really good. Way in there. Might even need extension. Yep. Without the extension.
Just ran out of space.
There's another one in here. Alright, so we've got 3 screws out. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to use this screwdriver here. We're going to pry the bottom of the door, see if we reach any resistance. If not, we got to figure out what else is holding it on. So let's see how we do. I like to pry it from the bottom because usually there's a little slot for it, and if not, at least if you scratch the door, you won't see it. Oh, that came right off. So we have the lock connection there and the wiring. So you may have to disconnect that, but we're going to get in here and take a look. This is real sticky and see what's going on in here. But that's how you get the door panel off. These little pressure clips that hold it in. And those screws. And now you can go inside, change the window, or see what's going on. If it rips, we could always tape it back on. Stuff really sticks in there. Alright, let's see what's going on here. That cable's loose, that's the first thing. Alright, try to work it up and down. Let me see what happens.